Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send a PayPal money request. First, you will need to log into your PayPal account, either through your web browser or the convenient mobile application. Once logged in, navigate to the Send and Request tab, which is typically found at the top of the page or within the main menu. From there, simply select the option to request money to begin the process. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth transaction. Next, you will need to provide the essential details for your request. Start by entering the email address or phone number of the person from whom you are requesting funds. Accuracy here is key to ensure the request reaches the correct individual. Then, specify the exact amount of money you wish to receive. Be sure to also select the appropriate currency, such as US dollars, British pounds, or euros, to avoid any confusion or conversion issues for both parties involved. It is always a good idea to include a clear and concise note explaining the reason for your request. This helps the recipient understand the context and can expedite the payment process. Before proceeding, carefully review all the entered details, including the recipient's information, the requested amount, and the chosen currency. PayPal also offers options to split a bill among several people or request from multiple individuals if your situation requires it, making it quite flexible. Finally, with all the details confirmed and reviewed, you are ready to send your request. Double-check one last time to ensure everything is accurate before clicking the Request Now or Send Request button. Once sent, the recipient will promptly receive a notification from PayPal informing them of your request. They can then easily choose to pay the requested amount directly through their own PayPal account, completing the transaction efficiently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.